guys, welcome to back to a new video. Today we're gonna storm chasing a tornado in Roblox. Okay, let's start. Okay, we're driving on the road. Oh, lightning! Why is a tree in the way? Okay, turn this. Oh guys, look at that tornado, that ginormous. Whoa. He's destroying everything in the path. Oh no, guys. Oh no. Look at this. Everything is destroyed. We're gonna drive right into it. Oh no, guys. This is so weird. All trees everywhere that is destroyed. Guys. There is the tornado. Oh my god. I've lost 1,000 trees everywhere. Oh no, it's gonna pick me. It's gonna pick me. No! No, come back. No, 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 no. No, help me. Help me. Now I'm going. Guys, I'm falling. Oh no, no, no. Okay, I'm gonna pick up. Oh no, 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 no! Oh, guys, there's a tornado. Oh no, I'm gonna launch 1,000 meters here. I died. Oopsies. Hey guys, never do that. We just died. Okay, that's going in a city. Okay, that's a house. I'm gonna spawn my vehicle. Ford. Guys, no storm that way. That is a tornado. That is huge. But I drive right into it. Well, I'm driving right into it again. I'm trying to storm chasing it. Can't turn this. Cannot destroy houses. Turn it. Oh no, the electricity. It's lighting. Oops. It's lightning. Oh, but this is the biggest tornado, I think. No. Look at that tornado. That's very big. Oh, look at the electricity. That's broken in half. Bro, this is a lot of much damage. Yeah, I'm just driving right into it. Oh no, I'm stuck. I need to spawn my new vehicle. I'm stuck. Fast. There we go. Spawn it in. Okay. I'm driving right into it. Okay. I'm going not that fast actually. That's a big tornado. Okay, I'm driving here. Boy, driving so slow on the grass. Goes so slow, but a big tornado. Well, how now is the sunshine here? Okay, I'm driving. I can't. The car has got stuck. But also when the car didn't get stuck. Oh, bro, there's a tornado. Driving is faster here. Okay, that's a tornado. I might crash the road here. I think actually he's doing it. Oh. That tornado is big. I hope it not got picked up though. Okay. Okay, I'm a little bit closer now. But okay, I can't just cross the road. I'm just driving right into it. Boy, crossing the road. What is this? Bro, I'm floating, bro. Why? Okay, I'm back on the road again. There's another vehicle right there. Actually, two now. Thinking is watching the tornado. Am I also gonna do it? Oh, bro, that tornado is big. Okay, it's there now. I think, or yeah, I think it actually done now. Okay, I'm gonna buy equipment or something now. Settings down. Bullet, the radar, where am I? Okay, I'm there. Then the tornado. Okay, I think the yellow one is a tornado. I don't know. I don't actually know, but okay. That's a big tornado. It's raining very much here. I have 5 grand here, or 5,000. The next update. Okay, I'm in the blue. That's not more. That's. I'm going to. Why did tornado go out of the map? Why does that? Okay, guys, driving that. What? Bro, it's raining so much. It's not hard to believe it, but it's raining so much. Okay. Oh, it's another tornado there. I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna go back to it. I'm going back to it now. I'm doing it. I think I'm looking to fly and drive right into it. No, with the last one. But I'm gonna catch it and see it. Okay, can do a time lapse while I'm driving to the tornado. Okay, there is a tornado. But this house is all gone. To do this tornado thing. Okay, coming cars and stuff here. Bro, there's a big lightning. But the tornado is very close to me. I'm drifting. I'm drifting with the tornado. Bro, he's lightning so much here. Oh, he's lightning there. Oh my god. But everything here is broken. After everything here is broken. But you see, 3 sneaks. It's ripped off the ground. What house is in window? Are they broken or something? Some cars here as well. All this tornado coming this way. Alright, doing it. Alright, coming right through. Alright, doing it. Oh no. Oh no. This tornado is coming right there. There's a big tornado. Oh no. No. This is going to circle these guys. Oh no, my god. Oh no, the car is getting gone. Bro. Buy this. Only 24 miles an hour. Oh, that is nuts. Can't pick it up. Can drop. I probably do the next tornado. There's 4 minutes. I don't really know actually. Okay, it's light here. It's like dark. So actually going to be. I'm probably gonna try that here. I don't actually know, but I'm driving after. Bro, look at that tornado. That is humongous big. It is actually easy. Bro, can I do a favor? If can you subscribe? Can you subscribe and like the video? I'm trying to hit 400 subscribers. I am not even halfway there. I'm trying my best to record and stuff, this video and stuff. I'm making video one a day. If I'm going to do something else, but bro, this one is big. That is big stuff. Okay. Next episode, probably Minecraft or something. I don't really know. Probably. Wait a second. There's a forming a tornado over there. Oh, I'm falling down. I'm falling down. But I need more money to put a better car. I need better car. This way to get close to the tornado. But look at this damage. The trees are lying on the ground and their whole life thing is lying, is ripped off the ground. Laying on the ground like this electricity stand thingy. I don't know what to call this. This electricity pillow. But these are laying on the ground after the tornado. Okay, but again, dark, bro. It's getting dark. Nice. I'm just following it. Okay, this muddy road to catch a tornado. It's actually insane. Yeah. Bro, that was big like. That's a house there. Really, it is probably safe, actually. I think this tornado is not even done. It's not even touching the ground. So, it's falling on the road. Is it going that way? Okay, I'm going this way because of... Okay, move very fast actually. Very fast. Bro, this one is big. I think it is fastened its car. Yeah. Well, I'm seeing the wind of the ground and second one. Bro, what? Look at every tree. I'm going so slow in this. Okay. How many trees are on the ground? How many trees are on the ground? Okay, another 3. Okay, I think it's on the ground right now. Yeah, it's on the ground right now, bro. We have 10,000 trees on the ground on this road. It is actually insane. This is probably the last tornado I catch in this video. I'm good. I'm good. If I get right into that, I'm good. I'm good. But I'm so close to it. I'm so close. Oh no, it's on them. Okay, suck from these trees and okay, this tornado is pretty. Oh no, the guy there shook up. Oh no, oh no. Okay, we're going to get eaten. Okay. That card is flying in there. Think about it. Okay, this car. That car is like very poor to wreck. I'm driving. Time lapse time. Okay, this tornado is crossing the road right now. Right now. I think I'm not gonna drive right into it. I'm not even driving that fast actually. To catch the tornado. And I think it's almost done right now. Yeah, I think that's right. I think it's almost done. So looking at light, electricity, yes, possible. Okay, fading away. That's a view. Oh, okay, I guess the nose there. It's done. It's done right now. Okay, I might catch. Well, that isn't lighting up here. The tornado is on the side of the road. Probably done off this time. How's it going? Yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's actually done. Very done actually. That was a big tornado. Very actually big actually. Okay, that was the last tornado I'm gonna catch in this video. So like and subscribe. And if you do that, I subscribe to you. Okay? Okay, the sun is coming right there now. It's done. Oh, it's not done. Okay, what? Oh, it's not done yet. It's on the ground right now. I don't think there's nothing on the ground, but my videos is almost gonna end, so yeah. Just like a minute left. I'm here, but I'm in the red. I'm in the red. And I've never been the purple. What is it called? Purple. Okay, now it's done I think, so it's not on the ground anymore. I always do this video, and see you guys next time.